Good morning, kindergarten. How are you today? It's Tuesday. It's May 5th, 2020. We call today Cinco de Mayo. And so maybe sometimes at your house today you'll be eating chips and salsa or tacos or something like that. We're doing tacos on Thursday at my house just because there's other things going on tonight. Mainly I gotta start working on some end of the year stuff for you guys back at school. So we're punting tacos later this week. Not that that's important to you, but it's May 5th, 2020. It's Tuesday. If you were to write our date today, it would be 5-5-20. 5-5-20. I also wanted to show you, I got mail yesterday. Look at this. So many letters. I got a letter from Colton and Peyton and John and Christian and Campbell and Willa and Cora Joan. It's so fun to see your letters, and I miss you all too. And this is a fun way that we can kind of communicate back and forth together. It was awesome to see how many of you are playing outside, or you're building Legos, or you're playing games. At my house, what I like to do is I like to be outside. I like to be working in my yard and getting fresh air right now. So thank you for your letters. I look forward to the rest of them coming in soon too. So back to the calendar, May 5th, 5-5-20. Our pattern was tulip, daisy, I don't even know what that flower is, blue flower, or red, green, blue. Today is the 5th. Look at this. It's another one of these blue flowers. So our pattern hasn't started repeating yet. Red, green, blue. I wonder what tomorrow's going to be. If we are counting on, I have one group of 100, 4 groups of 10. This is like my skinnies. 110, 120, 130, 140. Then, if I grab one more straw, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. You're right. So this is a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's another group of 10, which means that we will do a little Zero the Hero on our Zoom call today. So now I have 0 ones again, and I have 5 groups of 10. So my number is 150. 1, 5, 0. 5 tens, 0 ones. 150. I made a note for myself that we're still on week 7 because, I got a lot of weeks in my head. Our password is WENT, W-E-N-T, WENT. Like you went somewhere yesterday? We didn't. We were at home. Then I've got all my digraphs. We're going to work on digraphs today as we do our Zoom call. So make sure that you are prepared for that when we gather together this afternoon. And your password is Psalm 56:3. When I am afraid, I will trust in you. When I am afraid, I will trust in you. Sometimes I get afraid too, and I'm going to choose to trust Jesus. Psalm 56:3. I'm going to choose to trust God. Even when I'm afraid, I will trust in you. Okay. Here's the stuff for today. WENT. I need to write mine still. Calendar math. I hope you got Ray's birthday from yesterday. Then you're going to work on W handwriting. Remember, you're going to fill the line with W's. Circle the letter W. You may circle or color. Sometimes we do both. And then circle the pictures that begin with W, not W, like W-H, just W, just W. Then for reading, you can either do Raz Kids and do some questions with that. That's one great way of reading, or read paper books with your parents. But I gave you another packet of reading comprehension stuff. So just a little quick words and questions to see if you can remember. And I would break it up into 2 different days. So today you could do like Matt the dog. I wrote Tuesday on this one to keep myself organized. And Max the cat, those are both here on Tuesday. And then I would say probably do the other two tomorrow. That's kind of the plan for at least my house. Then we'll do phonics together on our Zoom. So bring this page to our Zoom call today and we'll work together on some more digraphs and building words. And then for math, keep working on your Rocket Math. I love seeing how many of you are going so far on Rocket Math. That's amazing. I can tell you're working so hard. And this one has to do a little with our skinnies and bits that we did yesterday. So I can name tens and ones. It's circle the number that has 2 tens. So you're gonna look at the tens place. Remember, the ones place is the one on the far side. And then the tens as we build over. So you might have to have a mom or dad help you read some of these questions today and then you can be the circler. Does that make sense? So you might need a little bit of help with the reading of directions of this one. So I would say, I can name tens and ones. And then this page is the same idea with tens and ones. So do this one too. And then look, this one has the same thing at the top. I can name tens and ones. So 1, 2, 3. And then when you get to this one, stop. It says I can model. And we'll do modeling on Thursday. That'll be kind of later in the week for us to do that. So that's your math. Keep writing, keep reading, keep going outside to play, keep building things with Play-Doh and Legos with your fingers. Take your sidewalk chalk outside and do some writing and some drawing. So I hope you have a great day. It looks like a sunny day here at my house, and I can't wait to see you on our Zoom call.